Today we are fully ready for the metal foundry, and you can see all the aluminium I'm going to melt. These are the ones I made mistake. I broke it. I want to melt it again. You can see my sand mold. It's ready. Everything ready. Can't wait. It's just to carry this one and cover this one and pour the aluminium inside. This is my charcoal. I have enough charcoal today, so no stress. Furnace is fully functional, working right now. Start up. You see the fire for the try the melt time. It's up. Try the melt time. Try the melt time. Try the melt time. So that's it. So this was how it was positioned in the mold, and if you remove it, you can see that the mold is having striking resemblance with the back. You can see the line. See this line is also showing here.